Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, your go-to channel for the latest updates on bikes and cars. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of the 2025 Bajaj Pulsar NS200, a machine that continues to define street performance in India. Bold new design, the 2025 NS200 carries forward its muscular Streetfighter stance, but with subtle design upgrades. Expect sharper tank extensions, a refreshed LED headlamp with DRLs, and sleeker graphics. These updates not only boost the visual appeal, but also make it look more premium and aggressive than ever. Power and performance. Under the hood, the NS200 retains its powerful 199.5 cubic centimetre liquid-cooled engine, now refined to meet the latest BS6 Phase 2 norms. With 24.5 PS of power and 18.74 Nm of torque, it still delivers a punchy mid-range and top-end performance that's perfect for city rides and highway sprints. Advanced features. The 2025 model now includes a fully digital instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity, a long-awaited upgrade. Riders can access call alerts, SMS notifications, and turn-by-turn navigation, making the ride more convenient and tech-savvy. Ride and handling. Built on the trusted perimeter frame, the NS200 continues to offer exceptional stability and cornering confidence. The USD forks up front and monoshock at the rear ensure a balanced ride, while dual-channel ABS keeps braking sharp and controlled. Final thoughts. The 2025 Bajaj Pulsar NS200 doesn't reinvent the wheel, but it refines everything riders already love. It's muscular, powerful, and now smarter. For enthusiasts looking for a reliable Streetfighter with modern features, the NS200 still stands tall. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Bajaj Pulsar NS200. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more quick and honest vehicle insights. Ride safe and stay tuned.